How to make Haaland right wing in Fantasy Premier League. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, make sure that you select Haaland in your team if you have not already. In your FPL, you cannot change a player's destination or position, for instance, forward or midfielder. However, you can visually arrange your players on pitch to give the appearance that Haaland is playing on the right. Choose a formation that uses 3 forwards, such as 3-4-3 or 4-3-3. Haaland as a forward will be placed up front. Drag Haaland to the rightmost position among the forwards in the lineup view. This does not change his in-game position, but gives a visual indication that he is on the right wing. If you want to emphasize his role in your team, you can assign him as your captain or your vice-captain. Just like so, this is how you can do it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on FPL topic, then do comment down below and we will catch you up in our next upload.